Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Okay, let's read the question. A restaurant uses 3 colors of plates in the ratio grey to white to black, 3 to 8 to 5. The restaurant owns 304 plates in total. Calculate how many grey plates they have. So let's write down the colors. Grey to white to black. So they have 3 parts grey, 8 parts white, and 5 parts black. So the very first thing that I always do with a ratio problem like this is I add up all the parts. So let's quickly calculate what is 3 plus 8 plus 5. Now, if you add this up, you will get an answer of 16. So that means we have 16 parts in total. So the total ratio is 16 parts. Now we know that the restaurant has 304 plates in total. So what we want to do now is we want to work out the value of one part. So this is quite easy to do. You divide the total number of plates, which is 304, by the total parts. So what is 304 divided by 16? You can use the long division method to solve this. You will get an answer of 19. Okay, let's quickly try this. Remember, it's not recommended that you use a calculator, so let's quickly try this using the long division method. So we have 16, and then inside we have 304. Okay, 16 goes into 3 how many times? It can't go into 3. 16 goes into 30 how many times? 1 time. 16 times 1 is equal to 16. What is 30 minus 16? It's equal to 14. Then what we do is we bring down the 4. Then we have 144. What is 144 divided by 16? It is equal to 9. 16 times 9 is equal to 144. 144 minus 144 is equal to 0. It's equal to 0, so we stop. Okay, so 304 divided by 16 gives us 19. So there we have the value of one part. Now we want the number of grey plates. Now grey corresponds to 3 parts. So now we have to do a multiplication sum. 3 times 19 gives us what? 3 times 19 gives us 57. So that means the restaurant owns 57 grey plates.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.